Hello, and welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to manually track and add reward points to an associate's account. When an associate purchases a product that grants them points, the system updates their ledger with the new amount. If needed, you can do this manually in Corporate Admin. But first, let's log in. After logging in, locate the associate and navigate to their account detail. From there, click More Reward Points. This page shows any previously awarded points, the availability and expiration dates, the remaining balance, and any notes. To view the transactions, locate the record you want to view and click the arrow to expand. If you want to add points, click the Adjust Reward Points Balance button. Then, enter the number of points you wish to grant. Alternatively, you can deduct points by entering a negative number. Next, enter a brief description of why you're adding or removing points. You can select a date in the future for when the points will be available, or leave the default as today. Finally, select the date when they will expire. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. The reward points will apply to the associate's balance on the set availability date. The associate has until the expiration date to use their points, or they'll be deducted from their account. And that's how you manually manage reward points in Corporate Admin. For more articles and videos, visit the Help Center at help.directscale.com. And thanks for watching.